Hello guys, welcome back to On the Job with Chris, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to replace a AC filter. Well, I'm not really showing y'all how to replace the AC filter, I'm showing y'all how I replace the AC filter at my job. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the closet and take out the old filter and show y'all how it looks. So let's go. This is how the old filter looks, guys. Like you see how much lint and dust and stuff it has on it. See, front and back. That means it's time to replace it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one in the trash. And then I saw another one in here that had some black stuff on it, so hey, you know we gotta get rid of that too. So set this right here. So what I'm gonna do now is, this is the AC closet, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this clean filter. You see this clean filter right here? It ain't got no dust on it. No dust particles, no nothing on it. So what I'm gonna do with this is, I'm gonna take the new AC filter, right? And I'm gonna write what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write the date on it. That way, whoever move in or the residents that move in 30 days, they'll know that the AC filter is old because I put the date on there, letting them know when I first put it into the AC unit. So that's gonna help them out tremendously. So without further ado, I'm gonna write the date on the AC filter. Okay guys, so what I did right here is I wrote the date on the AC filter and I put my initials. That way, when it's time to change this AC filter, I'll be able to see if it lines up within 30 days by looking at the old date. So what I'm gonna do is now, I'm gonna put this in the AC filter facing this way where you can see the date on there. Okay guys, as you can see, I put the AC filter inside of the AC unit right here. And as you can see, the date is right here where you can see it when you first open the closet. So yeah, so that's how you do that. And to put this in, you just slide it down the brackets on the side. You just slide it down. You see how it come down and up? That's all you gotta do. Slide it like that, and you're good to go. So yeah, guys, that's basically it with the AC unit filter. That's basically all you gotta do is just replace it every 30 days. That way, the ventilation has a chance to flow in and out through the filter. So without further ado, appreciate y'all for watching, subscribing, commenting. I'm out.